Well, it's Saturday, and I've been working on this hood, the final sanding, before it gets polished all day. My back being sore, I had to take a couple hours off, but it's looking pretty good. A little messy here, but once I get this all wiped down on final inspection, I'm sure I'll find some spots that need to be sanded again, and then I can start buffing it. I got some of this Meguiar's number 9 swirl remover. I tried some by hand and it worked out pretty good. There's one of my engines. There's another one. There's the tractor without the engine. And over here is the sander that I got for $50 or so. So until later, adios.